this is the last demonstration, is a geyser, the evaporation of the water. So there are different pipes with 10 meters deep. Underneath, okay, there are 400 degrees Celsius, alright, that means 752 Fahrenheit. Just a little bit hot, okay? So we're going to throw water inside a pipe, and we're going to see the geyser, the evaporation of it. To take the picture, the photo is very easy. Well, I recommend you to play a video. Okay? It's very easy. When he finishes or throw inside all the water, you have to calm down 2 seconds. 1, shoot, press down. But be careful though, because it goes so quick, okay? Hold on your camera. Don't. So all the water inside, 1, 2, press down. Better play a video. Not ready, not yet. We need to all the water inside.
Yo soy absorbo la energía del otro. Empatía total. Empatía total. En este caso la empatía sería. Muy guapo. Menos mal que hay un día que trae un zapatito por de la sierra para que no se le manche. Inteligente. 2 segundos. Vamos, cariño.
Ready?